morning, good afternoon or good evening. Welcome to another fantastic episode of Limmy Bashers. On the Limmy Bashers RTV wagon. So today I'm going to be attempting to, I've got some black carpet to fit, I've got roof rack, UHF, and is that it? And I might try and fit the nudge bar today as well. Transmission fluid. Thanks, Jake.
Got hymns.
Now this is exactly the reason why when I buy a new car I pretty much pull it apart and clean it top to bottom, because this is just filthy. It's grot. I don't know what it is. It's just dirt and grass and chips and weird torn up paper or whatever the hell that is, but it all smells and it's gross. And the carpet itself's actually pretty worn out in places as well, so I don't know what that is. You make your own decisions. This car just pulls apart. It's great. Like that. Oh, yeah. Get in there. Yes. Yes. Game. Don't break anything. Please don't break anything. Don't break. Game. Yes. Woo. Be gone, demons. Be gone.
This vacuum cleaner sucks! Classic dad joke. Vacuuming was stage 1 of the cleaning process. Stage 2 comes with brushes, and you get all the filthy crap that's in stuff, off stuff, and you use these to do it.
filter or replace it before you put it all back together and turn on the aircon for the first time and blow a whole bunch of that back into your
Now that
car.
I've finished brushing everything and vacuuming that all back up, it's actually very tidy under here. And now I can vacuum new black carpet to go back in. Black carpet is nice and clean now, freshly vacuumed, ready to go into the beast. Center console apart, and I've got my little lower din out. I'm going to mount my GME TX 3500 UHF in there, so that'll sit in there on the right hand side. It sits nice and snug. So I'm going to mount that in there. Put some holes in the back so the power cable and the aerial can go through. Screw it into the top of the din, and then that'll sit back in there and be days. Here's a temp install for the aerial. The wiring you can see is ready to go for the UHF. That runs in behind the center console up through a grommet in the firewall. And that, just for the minute because I don't have the correct bracket to mount the aerial. So that wiring comes through firewall there, comes over here into the base of the aerial, which I have bolted and cable tied there. Okay, so we've got the handheld, the mount on the side trim, cheapest part of the whole center console, which is good in case it breaks. The actual unit mounted securely in the top pin slot. I think that looks pretty quality. Didn't get around to fitting my drawers or my roof rack or my nudge bar today, but I did manage to sort out my UHF. So I've got my little handheld in the car. And I fit my black carpet and I cleaned the living bejesus out of this thing, so it's actually pretty nice to be in now, apart from the actual seats because they're a bit grubby and I can't really clean them. But the carpet's nice, and to top off the blackness of the carpets, I fit my Wild Track floor mats, which you can see. Yeah. So nice and comfy, nice and clean. And in the next episode, I will be fitting my roof rack and my drawers and hopefully my nudge bar. I mean, if I get around to all of it in one. But that's the next stuff to be done. So stay tuned and see you later. Bye.